Thank you for taking this course. I'll be here to support you throughout, so please don't hesitate to ask any questions. I am Gary and I will be showing you how to perform the many skills I have gained in my 30 years of experience as a fishmonger. Knife skills are diminishing, so I want to share my knowledge to help keep these techniques alive. This course will teach you how to clean, scale, pin bone, stake, fillet and skin a range of fish. By the end of the course, you'll have the confidence in your knife skills to freshly prepare a range of fish. Throughout the course, you will learn how to prepare flatfish and roundfish and to serve them whole, staked or filleted. Remember, you have lifetime access to the course, so you can go back over the lessons as many times as you like until you're comfortable with the course and you've mastered the skill set. Watch the next lesson and make sure you have all the equipment you need to be able to get started. So once again, thank you for taking the course and we look forward to hearing from you as to how you got on.